Want to use your Outlook work or personal email on your iPhone? In this quick video, I'll show you how to set up your Outlook by step. So let's get started. First, open your App Store and search Microsoft Outlook. Click on that and now click on download button. Here you can see the app is getting started to download. Once it's downloaded, click on open button. Now click on add account and skip. Now enter your password and complete any security verification such as code or Microsoft Authenticator approval if your organization requires it. Click on skip. Outlook may ask for permission to send notification. Allow notification if you want to receive alerts when you get new emails. Now, if you also want to use your personal Outlook account, open your profile and tap the plus button to choose an account and click on add email account with your personal email. Now you can easily switch between your work and personal account by tapping your profile icon. Your email stay organized in their respective accounts. One important tip: if this is a company managed iPhone or work account, your organization may require additional security settings or device management. Follow your company's instruction if prompted, and that's it. Your Outlook is now ready to use on your iPhone. If this video helps you, like, share, subscribe and follow for more simple tech tutorials. Thank you.